We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam on an HP Laserjet 1536 DNF MFP printer. So this printer does have only one tray, so it's pretty easy to clear any jams. Most of the jams that you will see are going to be in the back, so if your printer is telling you that you have a paper jam, you need to clear it, go ahead and check in the back, pull this hatch off. This will be really hot in here, so try not to touch any components in there, but if you see the paper, you can just gently pull it up and out. You never want to yank it or pull really hard. A piece of paper could break off in there and cause more jams, or you could even damage a sensor and result causing more jams. So if it's not there, then it'll most likely already be right here, and you can just pull that out. Again, pull it gently, don't yank it or pull too fast or anything, because then it could damage sensors and cause more paper jams. If you guys are seeing a lot of paper jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.